Hello IT Bros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvendril. Yes, that's the name I chose for myself and for this channel. To use in this channel actually. And I'm making this video, this video is going to be a little different like any other YouTuber says at one point. And this is the first time I believe I'm talking to you directly. And the reason is that I wanted to share some things about this channel before the end of the year, before of 2019. And before of the end of the decade. We're going to start 2020 in a few days, and I just wanted to share something with you. So as you can see here, this is my channel, my IT workshop. So I just wanted to thank you for 300 plus subscribers. Right now we are at 379, as you can see here. Thank you very much. And I want to also to thank you very much for 100k views. Man, that's a lot of views for me. That's really crazy. So here we are in Social Blade, and the channel reached to 300 subscribers in December the 5th, 2019. So a few weeks ago. And besides that, the other achievement is that the channel also reached to 100k views in December the 20th. So that's a few days ago, well, 10 days ago actually. So I wanted to take advantage of this video to celebrate these two things, these two milestones in the channel. So 300 is a lot of subscribers, and I was delaying this video for a long time. At first, I wanted to do the video when we reach 100, but I didn't do it. Then I did it to 200, which I did. But I didn't upload the video. Then 250, I also did a video, but I didn't upload it either. And then for 300, but again, the same happened because always I found something that I didn't really like about the video, whatever that might be. And I said, hey, the year is going to end and I don't want to go to this next chapter having this in my head. So I just wanted to share it with you. Thank you very much for this. It's crazy to think that it reached more than 100k views and more than 300 subscribers. I never thought the channel was going to reach even 100, to be honest with you, but it did, and it's still growing. And I just want to thank you very much for that. And the other reason is I have this video in my channel. Well, I'm going to go back. I didn't show it to you. You scroll down, it's upgrade your HDD hard drive disk to SSD using Acronis and PNY. So in this video that I made like, wow, July 2018, in this video I show how to clone your hard drive, how to replace your hard drive. This is for a laptop, but it can be used for a desktop. And it's using Windows. I believe you can use the Mac as well, but I show you how to do it using Acronis, which is a paid software. So talking about that, I have a few licenses of Acronis, the basic one, the one that I'm using in this video. I have actually 5 licenses, and I want to give you the chance to get one. So everything that you need is in this video. As I mentioned, everything, how to download the software, where to go, how to clone it, how to replace, and all that. So the way to have a chance to get it is I have my Twitter account, as you can see here, and I post this like 2 hours ago. Before the end of the decade, I just want to say thank you for all the support, 300 subs and 100k video views. You're awesome, and you are. Thank you very much, IT Pros, for all this. And the only thing you have to do here is just reply to it and say and tell me why do you need the Acronis cloning software, but be something kind of original, like not only I needed to clone my computer, I mean my hard drive. Do something interesting, like I don't know, I want to make a backup of the simulation I created on my desktop or something like that, something creative, something that says, oh, this is fun, this is interesting. And I'm going to choose the best 5, and I'm going to send you the serial number because that's all I have. I'm going to take a picture and send it to you. Okay, so the only thing you have to do is follow me on Instagram or Twitter account, leave a comment under this tweet, or even under this video in the comment section. I'm going to choose the best. I'm not sure if you can send private messages on YouTube. I'm really not sure. I never done it, but I know you can do it on Twitter. So in Twitter is more, I think it's going to be better if you do it there. So again, I have 5. As far as I understand, they don't expire. So, and you might, I don't know which one is which, but I have different versions, 2019, 2018, 2017, even 2016 maybe. So I don't really know which one is which, because I only have the serial number. So I'm going to give you one at random. Again, I don't know which one is which. So I just want to give you the chance to get one, to share something. I just want to share something with you guys. And I don't have enough. I don't have 379 licenses. I wish I had, but I just don't. And leave a comment on the videos. Thank you very much again. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. Maybe I'm going to do another when we reach 500. Hopefully, I'm not saying I will, but hopefully I will have a few more licenses by then, so I can share more with you. If you have any questions, you want to know something about the channel, something that is not really IT related, let me know, so I can answer it in the future. Okay. So again, I don't know what else to say. Thank you very much for 379 subscribers. Thank you very much. 22 videos later, and it's still fun to me to upload videos, to make videos. Thank you for the likes and the dislikes as well, and for the comments, for the supporting comments. That makes me, those comments are the ones that make me go to make another video. So that's, I don't know what else to say other than thank you for all the support, for you being a subscriber. You're awesome. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and as you know, if you're a veteran, I'll see you in the next video and in the next decade.